Hello everyone. So I'm back with another topics video. So today's topic is diversity in living world, and so we are starting with MCQs, and here is number 1. So the number 1 question states that the term systematics refers to. Now here 4 options are given. The first one is cellular organization of organism. So next is number 2 says that a systematic arrangement of organism. Third says circular arrangement of organism. And the fourth one is none of the above. Now, what is systematics? So we know that systematics is the study of organisms' identification, classification, and nomenclature. So from here we can say that systematic arrangement of organism, this matches with the term systematics. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Next we are moving on to question number 2. In the question number 2, it says that a Systeme Naturae was written by whom? So it was given by Carolus Linnaeus. Now, what was Ernest Mayr famous for? So Ernest Mayr proposed the biological species concept. Next, what was R.H. Whittaker famous for? So Whittaker gave the 5 kingdom theory. And next, W.M. Stanley was a famous virologist and he studied the tobacco mosaic virus. So here, number 2 option is the correct option. Next, we are moving on to number 3. The idea of binomial nomenclature was first introduced by. Now we all know that binomial nomenclature was introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. But here in the option we don't find Carolus Linnaeus. Here we can see that in the option there is John Ray, Hooker, Gaspard Bohin and Bentham. So from here we can choose for Gaspard Bohin because Bohin brothers were the one who also can be given the credit to this nomenclature. Okay, next is we're moving on to the question number 4. Scientific study of diversity of organism and their evolutionary relationship is. So out of this, which one is correct? Systematics. So again, it is the scientific study of diversity of organism and their evolutionary relationship is systematics. Okay, next question is question number 5. ICBN stands for, this will be question number 4. ICBN stands for, we all know it stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Next, we are moving on to the question number 6. Biosystematics aims at which one? So, the first one, let's read this. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. So number 1 is the correct answer. But let me say you what is a phylogeny. Well, phylogeny is related to the study of phylogenesis. Now, what is phylogenesis? It is the evolutionary development and diversification of species or group of organisms or of a particular feature of an organism. So this means that here we can understand that this biosystematics relates with the evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of the different parameters from all fields of studies. Next, we are moving on to question number 7. What is the name of the book written by Aristotle? So the name of the book written by Aristotle among this Systemae Naturae, Historia Naturae, Historia Animalia, Philosophy Zoologici or Zoologic is among these four. The answer will be answer number 3. That is Historia Animalia. Next, we are moving on to question number 8. Binomial nomenclature is what? We all know that binomial nomenclature is the two-word naming of an organism, that is the the species and the genetic information. So here two names, local and specific of an organism. Next is two words in the name of an organism, two names related one each to family and class, two phases in life cycle of organism. So here this one is correct because it does not relate with the local and specific of an organism or with the family and class. So here two words in the name of an organism. Next, question number 9. Correct scientific name. Now among these four, which one is the correct scientific name? Now Brassica pudica, we have heard about we haven't heard about any Brassica species with pudica, so this is wrong. Then Magnifera indica is correct, so we'll choose for 2. Let's see the other options like Solanum melongena. Now here the spelling is wrong. It should be Gena. So this is also wrong. And Mimosa indica, we haven't heard of any Mimosa indica, but we know about Mimosa pudica. So here this one is the correct one. Next, number 10, the last one. In a scientific name, the name of author is printed in, so it is printed in Roman. So option number 3 is correct, but in the book it is given, in this book it is given initial capital letter. No, it should be wrong because here we know that the author name is printed in abbreviation and it is in Roman and the initial is in small letter. So that's here for today.